Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing for you all. I was contacted by Pandahall Selected to do a review for them. So I picked out a few items. I will have their website linked in the description box, as well as the links to the items that I selected. And I will also have the coupon code down below as well. And that coupon code is STASH, and it's for 10% off of your orders. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take everything out. Okay, so the first thing I got were these charms, and there are a lot, as you can see. So you get a lot for the price. Like I said, I will have the links so you guys can see how much all of these are, but they are just different little charms in here. And there are quite a few, so I will definitely have a lot to choose from and to use. So that is those. I was really happy with this. I saw these and I just knew I had to get them. So there is that. I'll show you a couple more. Like I said, there are quite a bit in here. All right, so there is that. The next thing I got, and I was actually pleasantly surprised with this, they are spacer beads. And again, I love the containers that they send. They are just adorable and they work so well. Okay, now these I thought were going to be either plastic or like really light, not very heavy duty or anything, but they are not. They are metal. They are very heavy duty feeling, and I mean, they feel amazing. I love these. So I am really looking forward to using those. Those, I think, were an amazing find. Okay, next thing I got were these. They were these adorable little glass vials. They almost look like little blood vials or little beakers. They are so cute. They're so cute. They're so tiny, but they are adorable. And I had to get these when I saw them. Now, the lids do not screw on or anything like that. You have to glue them on. So I am probably going to be using E6000 for that, just because it'll probably be easier and will dry clear for the most part. Oh, and of course, I just dropped one of the lids. Let me get out another one. Like I said, these lids do not screw on or anything like that, so I'm just setting them on top. But that is how they look when the lids are on. They come off super easy, so, you know, be careful if you are working with these. I will have to find the other lid. It fell because it is so small and it bounced. Hopefully it did not get trapped under my bed. So there are those, and there's quite a few in here. I think there's 20 in here. No, there's 16. There's 16. But I just love these. They are so adorable. Okay, and then the last thing I got, if I can get it out, were the little pins. Again, I'm still learning how to use these, so I know you're supposed to use these for like the beads and stuff, but these are really small. So I don't know if I have beads that are going to work with that. I will have to see. Hopefully I do. But yeah, so I got a bunch of those. So I thought that was good. And that's it. Those are what I got. I will probably go ahead and put these in the container. But I loved these little sets. I just thought they were so cute and different. I had not seen anything like these before, so I thought I would give them a little try. And yeah, so that is it. That's all that I got from them. Again, I will have all of the links in the description box. I will have the website as well as the links to the items as well as the coupon code. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.